You ready? Thank you, Willa. Thank you, Cricket. I hear it. Thank you. Hold on. You ready? You want to cuddle? Alright, come on. We still gotta wait for your sissy. Gus. Thank you, Mila. See if she's closer. Thank you. And get your leash stuck. You can drop the leash a little bit. Oh, Mila on the cement? That's crazy. Big yawn. Good girl. Gus, I see it. Good, leave it, Gus. Hold on, Wheeler. I gotta clean up the mess first. Gus, help me out. Good girl, Cricket. I gotta pause this for a second. But notice, she's behind me now, waiting for comfort, waiting for protection, waiting to feel safe from a potential trigger, which is the freeway. And we're gonna use group learning as well, which we do every day, which also means habituation and desensitizing. But first, you okay? You okay? You want some too? You want some? Thank you, Mila. Oh, I got pet you with my leg. Thank you. And Gus for not running off. Good boy. Thank you. I know. Let everybody feel safe first. Thank you, Gus. You ready, Mila? Should we go tackle it? Are you ready? Thank you, Gus. Hold on. Gus. Thank you. You need more? Let's go check out your sister. How about you, princess? Do you want some? Do you want some? I know, I didn't really give you any, did I, Mila? Oh, this is a cuddle spot? Oh, yes. All right. Okay, you ready? Gus, let me gather everybody's leashes. Because I, believe it or not, only have one in my hand. Now I have two. And then I gotta get three. You ready, Mila? Thank you, Cricket. I'll let her anticipate. Good girl, Cricket. Sorry, baby. We also have cyclists that will come up. We have dog walkers that will come down. Thank you, Cricket. You ready, Mila? I gotta get your leash. Gus, hold on a second. Thank you. Just gonna come back over here so I'm not pulling her. Thank you, Cricket. Sorry, Mila. Oh, I dropped his. I'm used to everybody else having a loop, and there's no loop on this leash. Thank you, Cricket. I hear it. Oh, hold on. We gotta wait for your sister. Hold on, Gus. Sorry. The licking. Trying to calm herself down. I got you, Cricket. Or something stuck on her leg. You good? Can I help you? You need some help? You need some help? Well, I gotta help you. You can't just run away. All right. Let's go to our spot. Oh, come on, Gus. We gotta go. We're ready. Thank you, Cricket. Come on, Mila. Come on, Wheela. Hold on, Cricket. Now she can smell over here where there's dogs that pee, because I know Blue peed there last night. Good job, Cricket. And we got Golden Gate Bridge. And then we also got dogs. Thank you, Cricket. I see it. I see it. You ready? Ooh, that was fast. That was fast. Hold on. We're almost there. Thank you, Mila. Hold on, Wheela. Okay, you ready? Can we go? Are we ready? Come on, Cricket. They'll catch up. Let's go. Thanks, Gus. Wheela, I need your help. I didn't do that. I did not pull you. Hold on, Gus. We're coming. We're coming, Cricket. Come on, Wheela. She's gonna make us wait. She is, isn't she? I got you. I got you. Good job. Come on, Wheela. Let's go potty up here. Thank you. Oh. See, what is she doing? Why is she making us wait? She's sitting and smelling. Your sister's sitting and smelling. Isn't that rude? Mila, what do you smell? Who is it? Thank you, Gus. This is all Wheela wants to do is get out and just smell. I just want to smell everything. Stretch and kicks. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Are you helping us, Mila? Are you protecting us? That's what she will do. She'll stand outside us and watch. Yeah. She's a senior, old senior, so I'm not forcing her to do nothing. You ready? Guess what? Now you now you hear it? Thank you. I got you. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. All right, Mila. She comes as soon as she knows we're ready. Come on, Cricket. Thank you, Mila. Thanks, Gus. All right, Cricket. We got to our safe spot mostly. Hold on, thank you. Thank you, Wheela. Thanks, Cricket. You want to cuddle? All right, let's go up here. Come on. Almost. We just sit right here. You're just still there. Okay, you ready? Oh, that's a big yawn. You want to come up? You want to come up? Oh, actually, I forgot what we do is we go around and then sit over here. All right, you're right. Wheela, good job. Hi, Gus. You want to do it, Cricket? Help me out, Gus. Wheela, come here, baby. Let's go around. Ready? Wait, Gus. Not so fast. All right, how about right here? Right here. I like this spot. And guess what? Oh yeah, is that what we're gonna do? I'm gonna lay down. Mila. Hi. Hi, Cricket. Mila, what are you doing? What are you doing, Gus? Thank you. Ready? Come on. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Hi, Cricket. I see it. I see it. Bless you. What are we doing? Oh, cuddles. Oh, someone needs it so bad. So bad. You want to play? Let me get you. See how she's focusing on me, not the bridge, which is right there. Good job. Let me get you. Hi. You okay, Mila? You need cuddles? Hi. You didn't even notice. I have my shoes on. Are you ready, Wheeler? You are even hanging out. I got you! Let's get your sister. Oh, you got stuck. Find me a toy. How about, oh, Gus, you got it. What happened, Gus? Did you get scared? Did you want somebody to chase you? Let's go get Gus. Woohoo! You want this one? There is any stress from this, we're playing it off together. Ready? Let's go get it. Good job, you grabbed it, sort of. Can you get it? Oh, here, grab it. Ready? Ooh, she never grabs stuff. Never, ever, ever. Good job. Do it again? You want to do it again? Ready? Oh, sorry. All right, let's grab it. Really, that's a lot of wetness on that. Where's yours? Where'd yours go? Where'd your stick go? Can you find it? Mila, you okay? I see you, Mila. Gus. Ka-chow, I got you. I got you. I didn't like that. It touched me. It touched me. It touched me. Where'd yours go? Where'd it go? She likes to show me true lassie fashion. Ooh, Wheela. Oh, did you take it from her? Her older sister just tried to push her off. Did you get one? Oh, you gonna get me over it? Oh. Wheela, look at you. Did you get it? You all right, Gus? Gus. Oh, thank you. Good job. Thank you, Mila. Oh, thank you. Oh, my goodness. All right, last one. So I think I'm going to... Gus, not yet. We'll go in a minute. Not yet. Gus, hold on. You're scaring me. You ready? Hold on. Hold on, Gus. Thank you, Gus. Thank you. Hold on. We got to get everybody. Thank you, Mila. Wheela, Cricket, we gotta go. Oh, look at you run, old woman. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Everybody's so excited. Hold on, let me get everybody's leash. You okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I know she's so loud. All right, you ready, Wheela? Maybe I'll just make you run. Is that what I've been missing? Come on, let's make your sister run. Ready? Sorry. Ready, Gus? Come on. Bye, Wheela. Wheela, Cricket, let's go. Now it doesn't work. Thank you, Gus. Thank you for waiting. Thank you. Thank you, Mila. Thank you, Cricket. Sorry, Gus, we're not going that way. Can you go through? There we go. Thanks, Wheela. And we're still above the bridge. Gus. All right, ready? You looking for poo, Gus? Yeah, let's go get water. Thanks, Wheela. Hold on. Sorry, Wheela. Hold on, Gus. We'll get there, I promise. Sorry, baby. Thank you, Gus. Oh, those emotions, huh? Oh, those emotions. Hold on, we're going. Ready? Woohoo! All right, thank you, Mila. Thank you. Come on, Cricket. Come on, Wheeler. Come on, Gus. Main focus is that one, the collie. Is Gus taking his time? Tell him, say hurry. Tell him. Ready? Come on, Cricket. Come on, Gus. Are you done? Thank you, Mila. Good job, Cricket. Oh, did I lose a poop bag? Damn it. I lost my poop bag. I have to go back. Of course. Wow. You did it twice. Thank you, Cricket. How you feel? Thank you. I think she keeps telling me we need to go back and get our poop bag. But I'm not going to. I'll come back by myself and get it. Thank you, Gus. Good, leave it. Alright. Good girl. Good girl. I know, sorry, I just pushed you. Thanks, Gus. Gus, leave it. Thank you. Come on, Wheeler. Come on, Cricket. Let's go back. Thank you, Mila. Thanks, Gus.